Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting your map preview provider to Telegram in Telegram. If you prefer using Telegram's built-in map preview feature, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Locate and tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to access the settings related to your account's privacy. Step 4. Within the settings, scroll down until you find the Secret Chats section. Tap on Map Preview Provider. Step 5. In the Map Preview Provider options, select Telegram. This will set Telegram as your preferred map preview provider within the Telegram app. By following these simple steps, you can easily set your map preview provider to Telegram in Telegram, allowing you to conveniently view maps directly within the app. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to set your map preview provider to Telegram in Telegram. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the seamless map preview experience with Telegram as your map preview provider.